The Positive Grid Spark Neocore amp delivers surprisingly rich, full guitar tones through its purpose-built headphone drivers, making quiet practice feel much closer to playing through a real amp. Its noise-isolating design helps block out room distractions, so you can focus on your playing whether you are working on detailed practice routines or late-night sessions. You can plug in electric, acoustic, or bass guitars with a standard 1/4-inch cable, which makes this a versatile solution for players who use multiple instruments. Paired with the Spark app, it unlocks a large library of amp models, effects, and artificial intelligence-powered practice tools that keep you inspired and improving. The onboard controls let you flip between several user-defined presets and tweak your guitar level directly on the unit, so you are not forced to reach for your phone every time you want to change. Bluetooth audio and a solid battery life allow you to stream backing tracks or music wirelessly and jam for many hours on a single charge.